Suze Orman, the laughing stock of the know-it-all investor community. They all laugh at Suze Orman. They hate her, probably because she's so successful in her books and in her lectures. You gotta hate her for that. I've listened to Suze Orman. Let me tell you, she does a service to people. A great service. She talks about the basics of economics for people. The basics. You go on YouTube and you listen and see all these gurus, financial gurus. They never talk about the basics of life in finance. It's always some complicated method, some complicated formula for making money. Suze Orman is a champion of the little guy and little gal. You watch her and you will learn the basics of finance, which the basics is what you need to build on to make wealth. And I gotta say, Suze Orman is the only person out there championing women, for women to take over their financial life. Nobody else on YouTube does this, and I watch hundreds of YouTube videos on finance. And Suze Orman stands up for women and for women to be independent. So even though Suze Orman is the laughing stock of the financial community, she does a great service for people.